Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back and I would like to apologize for disappearing on you. Hey, work has been hectic. I've had flu but I am back with Uthando Nestembu. Just an update. Let us start ngendaba kaSne nobaba wakhe. Remember uSne always finds herself in trouble. And ubaba wakhe, when she decided to call Usne thought ukuthi it's another trouble, another thing that she did wrong, and went kubabakhe with that mindset. But this time around, ubabakhe was calling her to ask her ukuthi, you know what, can ukuthi ungimele laphayana kuleya family wenze sure ukuthi umakhwela umgqokisa kahle, so that makazojoyina ifamily yakamseleku ugirl uza agqoke kahle azi ukuthi what is expected of her. Sharp, fine. Now, in that, they also addressed the elephant in the room, which the question that we all wanted answered, to say, what is happening with the sister, Kamusa Mseleku? Remember, we asked that question. Now, we finally have an answer. It was answered. Usisi Kamusa Mseleku is not featured, is not showing, she's nowhere to be found in this thing because they had a fallout. Right, for a lack of a better word. In that fallout that they had, girl decided ukuya kumakhosi athi Thokoza. Makafika kuThokoza, uThokoza amtshela ukuthi uyathakathwa, babhizi ngawe. Khona obhizi nje okushaya ngekhemi, othi hu yabona? Hayi asathi uthi uGelingi, ubani ongishaya ngokhemi? Usisi kaMusa ke loyo. But your brother, your one and only brother, your blood, uyo obhizi ngawe ngechemical. So without even considering any other aspect yokuthi lo muntu lona mos uye bekangisiza, bekawavuka nami, uye kahle who was the pillar in the absence of our parents, how could he now all of a sudden abe busy ngechemi? And also remember ukuthi she stopped filming after her Stembu marriage did not last. Remember, a girl entered estenjini naye, but for some reason azange kuhlaleke, for whatever reason. Do you remember that? Yes. So now I think ukuthi a girl thinks ukuthi angeke kuhlaleke because maybe umthombeni, maybe. Now this is me I thinking outside the box. It's my opinion. Kahle. I'm thinking ukuthi maybe bamtshela ukuthi umseleku uthwele ngalesithembu kahle isithembu akusinto yabo in all the things that are always being said here on social media, right? But if what umseleku is narrating is the truth, I am properly disappointed on the sister. I am properly disappointed on the sister. Ukuthi you can never take a prophet's word or a pastor's word or a sangoma's word or what's word over your family. More especially if there is no proof. I mean, they need to show you something that is beyond reasonable doubt for you to believe ukuthi ifamily ingakuloya. You know, one of these people of the traditional healers, sangomas, whatever, once said on TikTok ukuthi a healer that will separate you from your family or that will tell you ukuthi uloya humdeni wakho is not a true healer. Manga wesangoma. Reason being, they are not allowed to say ukuthi uloya ubani. They are not allowed to even like suggest or whatever. They must tell you ukuthi khona umuntu close nawe obhizi ngawe lungisa indlela zakho. But for this one to say kusisi kaMseleku ukuthi ubhuti wakho ubhizi ngawe, it was malicious. I think also she or he should be taken to task, because at this point you could see ukuthi ugqekezile umuzi kaMseleku, because by right, by culture, usisi kaMseleku bekumele kube huye ogqokisa umakhwela. Ka Setswana go nna le ntho e ba reng ke rakgadi ya tsona ke ena di tsamaelang ko pele, and rakgadi ya tsona ha di tsamaela ko pele o ira sure gore o ira everything e be ka mkhotshwantse be ka teng e be yena pesang makoti and so forth. I changed to my language because I'm talking about a rakgadi now auntie, who is the sister, who is the blood in the family, is the one that is supposed to amgela umakoti. In this instance, no matter how high the position of uMacele is, uMacele cannot be the one accepting umakoti egcekeni likaMseleku or ogqokisa umakoti wakamseleku amtshengisa ukuthi this is how we're supposed to get dressed. Yes, we saw uMacele afaka uMakhwela iphinifa nan. But that phinifa is significant to uMacele no Makhwela alone. It is not a significance or a sign as far as the Mseleku family is concerned, because she remains umakoti uMacele no matter her position. She is not I don't know ukuthi niyang understand na. Khona izinto esidinga the bloodline to accept ukuthi this is the situation, we are accepting lo makoti simgqokisa kaso. So with that said, this role is now being played by Usni. So meaning ukuthi to some extent Usni ubabake holds her at a high regard, because we all know ukuthi he could honestly have said let umntana kaMakhe be the one that does it, because uMpilenhle uhlala on point, uhlala right umamela ubaba wakhe. Or uMseleku could have easily said uAbongwe akayenze. And then uAbongwe stands in the place yakasiswakhe, do you understand, as the living relative. But to some extent he uMseleku respects the position yaka Sne kulomndeni, because he allowed ukuthi Usne adlale a role that Usne had never thought ukuthi she would play. And you could see ukuthi Ugo was properly honored, and now I was happy on her behalf, because sometimes I feel ukuthi more than anything Usne needs to be recognized by her father and needs that affection, and that her father saying, yes, my good and faithful child, you have done well by your dad. So yeah, sisazobona ke ukuthi uMakhwela makagqokiswa uyogqokiswa ini, and then also to check ukuthi lezi uMakhumalo uMaqele wamgqokisa zona uGo uzoza azigqokile or uzabe agqoke zona mabamgqokisa na, because I think also we are interested in that part. But I am glad that we now know, and we will stop speculating and thinking and making scenarios of what happened between uMseleku nosiswakhe. Now we know ukuthi chemical engineering was involved, and because of chemical engineering the family was divided, and because of the chemical engineering now Usne gets the position that she's always been longing for. So yeah, let us see ukuthi umshado kaMakhwela ohamba kanjani, ukuthi Usne usirepresenta kahle laphayana, ukuthi Usne uzoba yilento le esicabanga ukuthi uzoba yiyo, because I have faith on Usne, like a lot. I've got faith on Usne, and I believe ukuthi God will represent us accordingly. So yeah, this is your girl Disebo D. Thank you for watching this far, and if you're still here, please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.